so far things are working. All DC appliances are working. Let's see if the inverter says anything when we switch it on. So electric hookup outside is not plugged in, but the inverter should be able to start producing DC energy to my AC side of things now, if needed. And the heating worked, and hot water, which is not going to be a main feature, and that's not why we got the inverter anyways. But the microwave is working. Microwave is working, and this is awesome. So let's see if I plug in here. This is a vape charge. I don't have a phone charger here, but let's just see if the vape works. And it works. It's charging. 240 are being inverted from DC to AC. Happy bloody days, happy days. Brilliant. It's all working, and I'm just going to fix everything down now, I'll try plugging in the electric hookup in a minute. Let's check out the battery level to see it's full now. The solar system is now on float because it's full. The battery's full, it's all plugged in, it's working, and happy days.